ready to build your newsletter empire. Let's get your Beehiiv publication set up for ultimate success. Begin by heading straight to your Beehiiv account and locate the prominent Create New Publication button. Clicking this is your very first step towards launching your new venture. Now, you'll need to give your publication a compelling name, a circumflex euros. Make it memorable and descriptive. Also, choose a clean, easy-to-remember URL for your newsletter. This is how people will find you. Next, let's inject your brand's personality. Navigate to the branding section here. You can select your brand colors to create a consistent look and feel, and upload your beautiful logo that subscribers will instantly recognize. Don't forget your favicon. This small yet crucial icon appears in browser tabs and helps build brand recognition even at a glance. Upload your optimized favicon. Moving on to essential settings, find the publication description box. Craft a concise and enticing summary of what your newsletter is all about. This is your elevator pitch to potential subscribers. Your sender email is vital for deliverability. Ensure you're using a professional email address associated with your domain to build trust and ensure your newsletters reach inboxes. Now, let's create your About page. This is your opportunity to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Write a compelling headline and a description that tells your story and highlights the value subscribers will receive. Your welcome email is the first interaction many new subscribers will have with you. Customize this using the editor to introduce yourself, set expectations, and deliver immediate value. This is a key engagement point. And there you have it. You've configured your publication, branded it effectively, and set up your essential settings. You're now ready to launch and start building your thriving newsletter community on Beehiiv.